Now in this section I'm going to look at how to use subtotaling. So again, I've got some data here. So I've got a sales region, I've got salespeople, and I've got the sales value, and they're in no particular order at the moment. So if I click here within the sales region, just click anywhere, the first thing I'm going to do is to sort the data by region. So I'll do an ascending sort like this. So I've got all the east, then the north, then the south, then the west. And the reason I did that is so that we can look at subtotals in a minute for, say, the east region, so they're all happily grouped together. Then we've got the north region all grouped together, south region and west region. Now if I click on the data tab up here, over here in the outline section I can go and click on where it says subtotal. Now we can control the way the subtotal works, so we can subtotal by sales regions, persons, value, and we've got other things we can set here. So before I actually did this, as I say, we sorted this so that it's kind of grouped by region. And what we want to do is use subtotals for sales value for each region. So what I want to see basically are the individual sales for the east, and then the subtotal for the east, and the same for the north, then the south and the west, with the grand total underneath. So I just simply click on the OK button here. Can you see what it's done? These ones here are sales for the east, and as you can see here is the east total. Similarly with the north here, we've got the individual items there, then we've got the north total, the subtotal. Same for the south, we've got the south subtotal here, and the west subtotal we've got down here, then we've got the grand total underneath. So as you can see, using subtotaling was very straightforward, very easy to use.